For homeowners in Maricopa, keeping your home attractive, efficient, and valuable is always a top priority. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance your living space, replacing outdated windows is one of the smartest home improvements you can make. New windows do far more than improve the way your home looks. They increase comfort, reduce energy costs, and can dramatically raise your property's market value. Here's how a window upgrade can transform your Maricopa home inside and out. Transforming curb appeal with modern style. Your windows are among the most noticeable features of your home's exterior. Old, faded, or mismatched windows can make even the most beautiful home appear dated or neglected. By upgrading to new, modern designs, you instantly elevate your property's curb appeal. Today's window options come in a variety of materials, styles, and finishes to match Maricopa's diverse home designs, from desert contemporary to classic southwestern. Whether you choose sleek vinyl frames, elegant fiberglass, or rich wood-clad designs, new windows add sophistication and visual harmony to your home's facade. Homebuyers often judge a property within the first few seconds of seeing it, and modern, well-maintained windows make a strong first impression. The visual impact alone can significantly improve your home's perceived value. Increasing energy efficiency for long-term value. In Maricopa's hot, sunny climate, energy efficiency isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Outdated windows can let heat seep in during summer months and allow cooled air to escape, forcing your air conditioning system to work overtime. Energy-efficient windows are engineered with features like low-E glass coatings, argon gas fills, and insulated frames to minimize heat transfer and keep indoor temperatures stable. This results in lower monthly energy bills, less strain on your HVAC system, a more comfortable home year-round. When potential buyers see recent energy-efficient upgrades, they recognize the long-term cost savings and comfort that come with them, both key factors in increasing property value. Enhancing natural light and interior appeal. New windows don't just improve your home's exterior, they completely transform its interior as well. Modern window designs maximize natural light while reducing glare and UV exposure. Larger panes, thinner frames, and strategically placed designs brighten your rooms, making them feel more open, spacious, and welcoming. This added light can highlight your interior decor and make your living spaces look newer and more vibrant. Homebuyers are drawn to bright, airy interiors, and well-placed, modern windows deliver exactly that. Improving comfort and reducing outside noise. Comfort plays a big role in how homeowners and potential buyers view a property. New, well-sealed windows prevent drafts and keep indoor temperatures consistent, which is especially important during Maricopa's warm months. In addition, double and triple pane windows help reduce outdoor noise from traffic, neighbors, or wind. This creates a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment, another appealing feature for families and professionals alike. Boosting home security and durability. New windows come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms and stronger frame materials, offering better security and peace of mind. Impact-resistant or laminated glass options also protect against break-ins and harsh weather conditions. For homeowners in Maricopa, where monsoon winds and dust storms can pose occasional challenges, durability matters. Professionally installed modern windows provide long-lasting protection while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. Raising your home's market value. A window replacement is one of the few upgrades that consistently delivers a high return on investment, ROI. According to national remodeling studies, homeowners can recoup up to 70 to 80% of their installation costs through increased resale value. In Maricopa's competitive housing market, listings that highlight new energy-efficient windows stand out to buyers looking for comfort, efficiency, and minimal maintenance. The combination of lower energy costs, improved aesthetics, and modern performance makes your home far more desirable. Final thoughts for homeowners in Maricopa: upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest ways to boost property value and curb appeal. They not only enhance your home's beauty but also improve comfort, reduce energy bills, and provide lasting protection against the elements. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a more stylish and efficient home, investing in new windows is a decision that pays off in both appearance and long-term value. With professional installation and the right design, your Maricopa home can shine, inside and out.